Title, Key Information Maritime Instruments. Subtitle, Subjective Requirements and Contribution to Safety, Security, and Comfort. Presented by Bililla Joshua Ernest B., Nino Gabriel, Carl Peter Nocete, Andrea Gulto, and Natasha Rendon. Introduction. Objective to understand how international instruments and contribute to safety, secure, and comfortable maritime operation. Overview of instrument STCW, ITC, COSWP, ISPS, PAL, MLC 2006.
STCW, Standard of Training Certification and Watchkeeping. Objective, to establish minimum standard of training certification and watchkeeping for seafarer. Key requirements: compliance-based training, certification by national authorities, and standard of rest and watchkeeping. Contribution: enhance the crew safety, professionalism, and operational efficiency. ITC, International Tonnage Convention. Objective: standard size tonnage measurement for ships globally. Key requirements: defines gross tonnage and net tonnage for fair regulation and taxation. Contribution: promotes fairness and consistency in regulation and port duties.
COSWP, Code of Safe Working Practices for Merchant Seafarers. Objective, provides guidelines to ensure a safe working environment on merchant ships. Key requirements: safety protocols or various tasks, risk assessment and use of personal protective equipment. Contribution, reduces accidents and promotes a safer workplace. ISPS, International Ship and Port Facility Security Code. Objective, establishes a framework to enhance security of ships and port facilities. Key requirements: ship security assessments, security plans, and designated ship security officers. Contributions, strengthens defense against security threats including terrorism and piracy.
PAL, Athens Convention relating to the carriage of passengers and their luggage by sea. Objective, protects passenger rights in case of injury, loss, or damage to luggage. Key requirements: liability standards and compensation limits for passenger claims. Contribution, ensures passenger comfort and legal protections during maritime travel. MLC 2006 Maritime Labor Convention. Objective, sets minimum working and living standards for seafarers. Key requirements: hours of work and rest, accommodations, medical care, and fair treatment. Contribution, improves living conditions, welfare, and fair treatment of crew members.
Unified impact. Those instruments collectively enhance safety, security, and welfare in maritime operation. Compliance is essential to maintain gold standards, protecting both crew and passengers. Final thoughts: international maritime instruments are essential for seafarers, safer, fairer, and more secure seas.